important.
Okay.
Like, why should I watch you? As who I am with my laser in my world, what is it that you bring to help me be better?
The beautiful thing about the laser engraving community, especially in 2022, is that we can look anywhere in any corner of YouTube and there's like someone with a laser these days. And there's so many opportunities to learn cool projects and get awesome files and be taught how to use your machines. But the machines are also becoming more complicated, especially with the introduction of galvo lasers, but CO2 lasers too, gantry lasers too, the diodes. There's a new diode coming out like every month at this point, and there's constant revisions being made to the CO2 lasers. And it's becoming more important now than ever to understand not just how to get your results, but why the results are appearing in front of you. How do these things actually work, and especially how to take care of them. It's not as simple as just cleaning your rails every couple of weeks and making sure your lens isn't dirty anymore. There's a lot more to these machines than there used to be. And again, especially when you introduce like the galvo laser factor, galvo lasers have a lot less moving parts, but they're a lot more electronically complex, and there's a lot more controller logic and software logic that's going on than on a simple XY gantry system. So we're trying to explain how these complicated feats of engineering work in the most English way possible, like human English way possible. And I think that's our strong suit. And I think that's a value that we provide that I don't really see a lot of other places on YouTube right now. So that would definitely be, I think our kind of like fresh contribution, I guess. Ugh, I don't like that word, but I think it's a thing that we do well over at Laser Everything for sure. And people don't like tech either. People, especially like creatives, don't want to sit and learn a programming language to operate their laser machine. They just want to make their art. And so we're trying to present the information in a way where it's not overwhelming for people that aren't necessarily tech-based. It's not, I wouldn't say it's all 101, like super easy. There are definitely challenges in what we teach over our channel, but I think there are challenges that are worth overcoming so that you can improve your work and your output and your speed. And there's just so many different benefits that you can gain from it. Even in business, there are benefits that you can gain from understanding the technology behind your equipment. So I think it's really important.
Yeah, and I agree, because if you are chained to someone else's understanding of how to fix it or what could possibly be wrong, then you are throwing an obstacle in front of yourself.
Yeah.